Yo, peace and love, everybody. Peace and love. Today, we have the highly anticipated Air Jordan Jumpman Jack University Reds. And a few weeks ago, I did do the Jumpman Jack sales, which are a beautiful, amazing shoe. And today, we're going to do this University Red pair, which is the pair that I originally wanted, but that doesn't matter anymore because now I have this pair. And man, it's kind of hard for me to pick out of the two. I don't think we have to pick out of the two. They can both just be dope. But let's go ahead and take a look at them, and then we'll look at the sale pair and kind of compare the two and see what we got. Presentation is nice. The box is really big. So I know that is included in the sticker price, which is $200 plus tax. And these did come out today, which would be May 10th, 2024. And I was hoping to get this video done before these actually dropped, but I just got them today. So here's the video, a little late today, but I just kind of ran through it. That's why it's not all musical and there's no crazy beat and all that stuff, because we're just going to take a look at them. And look at the bottom there. That's that. Somebody's telling me that red part, the red Jumpman Jack on the bottom, rubs off, and there's a surprise. I don't really know about that. 3 pairs of laces that are included with the white pair, so we'll go through those lace swaps here in a second. Quality of the shoe is pretty good. Like, there's a mixture of a little bit of premium qualities, which is the white upper, and then they gave you something kind of, I don't know, what is that, maybe feltish on the top. And if you go a little higher there's this navy mesh part for the ankle, and the shoe is really comfortable. Like, I'm actually wearing them as I do this voiceover right now. I know that's kind of weird, but I just got done filming the on foots, and I was like, you know what, let's just go cut the vocals and get this done. And let me know in the comments, did you guys hit? I actually did not get a chance to hit because for some reason I just wasn't paying attention. I mean, long story short, I switched from an iPhone to an Android phone, and ever since then I really never signed into my sneaker app and whatever. I just didn't go for them, but I really wanted to try for them. The insides look a little different than the other ones. There's no Dream Cell insole. Let me find a clip of the other one real quick. There we go. That's what the other one was looking like, a little curled up there. That's dope, the sailin brown. And this time we have University Red and Navy. I keep wanting to say burgundy for some reason, but it's University Red. And I kind of think these shouldn't be $200. They're probably like $220 after tax. I know it's like Travis's signature Jumpman sneaker, so I get it. I just think the $200 is a little steep, but Nike Jordan knows people will pay the price. And going over the shoe with the black light, I didn't see any imperfections. There wasn't any leading lines, any leftover ink. That's just a little hair there. But nothing that stands out on the shoe. I just got to get back into black light in the shoes because sometimes there are surprises. But let's take a look at the white laces. This is the pair of laces that comes with the shoe. These were already in the shoe. Saved me some time. Super clean look. For me, it's either going to be the white laces or probably the sail laces. I don't really go too crazy with my laces anymore. And once upon a time, I used to wear all of my shoes unlaced. Like, I was a big advocate for not tying my shoes, mainly like in high school and kind of my adult life. But now I tie all my shoes because I honestly think sneakers look better when they're just laced up. I think it's more of a clean look. And I also discovered when shoes are actually laced up, you can feel the tech or what they implemented in the shoe for comfort. You can feel it a lot better when your shoe's actually laced up. When your shoe's flopping around, you're not really getting the full benefit of the shoe, of the tech in the shoe. But anyway, this is the white pair, and that navy looks really good on the shoe. I'm glad they didn't make that black. Even with this colorway, the sails, I like how they put a gum bottom on the shoe. That was actually a good idea. They could have been really lazy with that and just slapped like a non-translucent brown midsole to like match the upper, but they did a good job with that. And it's crazy because the more you look at the shoe, the more cleaner the shoe looks to me. That's great. They didn't they didn't LeBron the shoe. Like, they didn't try to do too much with this shoe. They got him a newer silhouette. They kept it clean. So far, they're keeping the colorways kind of simple, kind of modest, but I've seen some other colorways that are actually looking pretty good. But let's go ahead and look at the blue speckled ones. And with these, I kind of cheated. I did red on the left foot, and then I did the blue speckles on the right foot just to save time. So I did this all on the same day, and I wanted to make sure I got this video out actually today, even if I had to compromise some of the music and the cinematics. I know to some people that doesn't even matter. You guys are here to see what the shoe looks like with these different lace swaps, so I get it. And I was actually working on a totally different video before working on this, and these arrived today, so I was like, you know what, let me stop this video and do this one. The other video is way more exciting than this one. I'm not just in my backyard just standing there getting on-foot shots, which is okay, but the shoe's dope in red as well. I do like the red. I'm definitely not going to stay with the red laces, but it looks good. I know there's some cooler guys out there that could wear these better than me. I would probably take the blue speckle because that goes good with the tongue, the toe box. That actually looks really, really good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. You guys let me know. Let me know. Does the blue speckle, does it look better than the red? I'm trying to isolate the shots. And I know you get a better perspective when you see left foot and right foot with the same color laces, but again, to save time, this is what I had to do. And they're clean. Like, there's not a lace swap with this shoe that I don't like. And I think overall they made this shoe very neutral as far as style. There is some hate going on about it, but this is also one of those shoes you gotta have it in hand, or more importantly on foot, to really appreciate the shoe. It's a really comfortable shoe. Like, I can't keep saying that enough. I know it doesn't really look like much, but it's a super comfortable shoe. So let me know, red or the blue speckle. I don't know if this is blue speckle, that's just what I'm calling it. But let's go ahead and take a look at the sail, which is probably my favorite. The sail is just clean, guys. The sail is just clean. Like the video if you like the sail colorway the best, laces. I mean, like the video anyway, but let me know, is the sail the best? Is it better than the white one or better than the red or the blue? I really do like the sail. It looks a lot better with the midsole. It matches perfectly. The laces don't get that dirty. Like, how often do you really wash your laces? I know before I had a whole bunch of sneakers, I used to wash the laces that were in like my rare Jordans. And now that can't happen because I never wear the shoes enough to get them dirty, which is a blessing. And at the same time, that's kind of ridiculous to have so many sneakers. Your sneakers don't even get dirty, but it is what it is. I know a lot of you guys out here watching that video completely understand that. But these are amazing. The sails look great. Again, $200 for a pair of shoes in a big box with 4 laces to go with them. I mean, I guess there's more expensive collabs. A lot of Travis's shoes, they resell for way over $200, and right now in the resale market, these are about $700 in a size 9.5. But you guys let me know, do you like these better than the sail colorway, or are you sticking with the University Reds? Like I said, it really doesn't matter. I think they're both dope, but that is my time. I will catch you guys on the next video, of course. Again, the next video is going to be a little bit more funner. And oh, I promise, the next pair of Jumpman jacks that I get, I'm going to actually play basketball in them, because they've marketed this shoe, the Do Everything shoe, and I forgot to mention that in my first video. This is supposed to be a shoe you can go like outdoors, play sports, soccer, basketball, maybe flag football, who knows. But I will get into that on the next pair I get. I think there's a brown pair coming out next, so when I get that pair, or I might just make a separate video, a quicker video with me playing basketball in the Jumpman jacks. Who knows? But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, love, and light, and I'm out. 1.